This elegant, simple makeup look is perfect for any wedding DJ evening as a guest. Hello everyone, it's Prabjeet. Welcome back to our channel. And if you're looking for any simple, subtle and long-lasting makeup, then that's it. This video is only for you. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let's start without any further delay. Firstly, I'll start with this Foreever52 Matte Pore Primer. This primer is really good for oily texture skin. And I'm applying all over my face. I have a combination skin and at times my skin really generates too much oil, So that's why I'm applying this, and this will help avoid creasing as well. I have a habit of always start with eye makeup first. So for that, I'm starting with Soft Concealer palette, and I'm applying the concealer on my eye. And then we'll set the concealer with MAC Mineralized Powder. After selecting a purple shade from my Morphe palette, I use a flat blending brush to apply it to the outer corner of my eye. And I'll gradually build up the color until I'll achieve the desired intensity. I will apply the same color in inner corner as well. I'm now selecting a pink nude shade to smooth the harsh lines using a small fluffy blending brush. It's time to add some shimmer, so I'm choosing this beautiful Mauve shimmer and applying it to the center of my eyelid. Then I will blend these edges for a seamless blended effect. I'll replicate the same technique on the other eye and then return back to shape my eyebrows. For my brows, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetic Brow Pencil in a dark grey shade. I always focus on filling in sparse areas, avoiding heavy application at the front. Instead, I prefer to blend using the leftover product on the spoolie for a more natural look. Next, I'll apply Black Kajal by Faces Canada. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'll be blending it out. And to add more depth in my eyes, I'm going to, tightline my top waterline like so. Before applying falsies, I will start by using the glue liner from Neetu Josh. I really love with this chipku liner, and this helps the lashes adhere easily. Then I will apply Maybelline mascara to blend the falsies with my natural lashes seamlessly. As this is evening glam party look, so I'm adding some extra sparkle with the creamy glitter by Colourpop. I'll take very less amount and apply it with my finger for precise control. Let's start the base makeup. Firstly, I'll start by applying the NARS Radiant Primer to give my face a radiant glow, and we'll blend it all over my face. Then we'll move on to the color correction, and for that I'm using an orange color. I will target areas where I have discoloration, such as, near my mouth and my under eye areas. So applying orange corrector all over the places. Then I'll set all the color with the powder just to prevent it from blending with the foundation and appear ashy. Next step is foundation, and for that I'm using my all-time favorite Foreever52 in the shade of medium tan. Using the Beautylicious foundation brush, I will evenly apply it all over my face and in my neck area as well. Personally, I prefer applying foundation with a brush. However, I always blend it out with the damn beauty blender as well afterwards. This is just my preferred way of doing, but you to use whichever technique works best for you. Whether it is a brush or a blender, both are equally effective. Now for the highlighting, using Huda Beauty Fox Filter Concealer in the shade of Graham Cracker, which is one shade lighter than my skin tone. I'm using the Damn Beauty blender and blend this out for a seamless finish. Alternatively, for more coverage, you can also use a dry sponge. Here's a crease-proof hack. Before setting your under eye area with powder, first look up and blend with the same damp beauty blender. Then using a puff, gently press the setting powder into your skin, and for that I'm using Laura Mercier setting powder. This technique really helps avoid creasing by ensuring the powder is applied only wherever needed. Next, I'll be applying the blusher from the Imagic palette. And this is very cute, cool pink shade. I'm actually aiming for a very soft and light glam look, and following up with the highlighter from my Ofra cosmetic palette. Now moving on the final step, I'll be using the Faces Canada lip liner in the shade Magnetic 02 and filling the lips with the Recode matte finish nude lipstick. Next, I'm applying the beige color Kajal pencil on the lower lash line and blending that with same purple color eyeshadow. Finishing up the makeup with Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray on all over my face. This is the final look, friends, and if you really love this look and recreating this, so please don't forget to tag me. Socials are also listed in the description below. Like and share this video, and if you are new to my channel, please consider me to subscribe. I love you all, friends, and see you soon with another tutorial. Bye. Ta-da.